Lately, there has been a lot of discussion around how AI will take your jobs. Well, the reality is not that straightforward.
It is our job to create computing technology such that nobody has to program and that the programming language is human. Everybody in the world is now a programmer.
There was this clip that you just saw about AI taking software jobs, so you don't need to study computer science, or nobody needs to learn coding. Reality is that, as we have talked before, all jobs are composed of tasks. And depending on the job, AI may augment it, may replace it, may reduce the value of what you do. And it all boils down to what value do you add. And if there are tasks that have become something that AI can replace, you just need to go and add more value by doing something where, as a human, as a knowledge worker, you can add unique value, such as talking with people, coming up with a better problem to solve. Because at the end of the day, AI does not understand your problem, it does not understand what is right for your circumstance. So you're still able to make those kind of decisions, align it to your preferences, and then you can get AI's help in solving that task. But it is simplistic to say that nobody will need to code and English will be the only language, so you don't need to worry about computer science and coding, because computer science and coding is useful for solving problems, but you use it to do something which is helpful and valuable.